I hear them talking about us. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Fred Tech Up here. So this is the Infinix 08. So I've been using this device for the past 1 month now, and I have to say that apart from some minor annoying things about it, which I'm going to talk about in this video, it's been great all this while. It is a step in the right direction, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds for Infinix. So the Infinix 08 is one device I've been dying to get my hands on ever since they announced it. But unfortunately for me, I couldn't get my hands on it on time due to some reasons I do not have control of. So in today's video, I'll be bringing you my full review of this device. I'm going to give you my honest thoughts, what I think about it. You know, the aim of this channel is always to help you make that purchase decision. But before we jump into that, please kindly hit on that subscribe button to join this awesome family, and be sure to turn on that post notification right beside the subscribe button so you get alerted whenever I post a new video. So let's get straight into the video. So I want to get things started with the hype that surrounds this device, which is the 90Hz 1080p display this device comes with. I have to say it is amazing. If you are coming from a device with a 60Hz display, you will immediately notice the difference. It makes everything much faster, from the screen response time to launching of apps and general responsiveness of the device. That I commend Infinix in this regards. The display in question is nice to look at, especially when you are indoors. It is bright, but it is not too bright under direct sunlight. Viewing angles could have been a little bit better, considering the fact that this is a TFT LCD display instead of an IPS LCD display. I guess for Infinix to deliver such a device at this price point, they definitely needed to cut some corners. The 1080p display is still very enjoyable for social media and consuming media content. So about the build quality and design of this device, there's nothing to complain here, considering the fact that you can barely find something at this price point with a metal and glass build. The 08 looks good even though it is made out of plastic. It feels well made, and I like how it feels in the hand. On the right hand side of the device, we've got the power button that serves as the fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker keys. To the left, we've got a SIM tray that can take a dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and the speaker grill. Then on top of the device, we have nothing. At the rear, we have a quad camera setup with a flashlight and the Techno branding. So one of the exciting features about the Infinix 08 has to be the 33 watt fast charger it comes with. It can juice up this device from 0 to 100% just under 1 hour, and that is very impressive. So this is what I do on my day-to-day usage with this device. I set the display to 90Hz all the time. Fine, it takes so much from the battery, but I do not really feel it because whenever it is time for me to charge it up again, it doesn't take that long. I know I'm going to get it done in just under 1 hour. That I like so much. Okay. Speaking of the battery, the 4500 mAh battery it comes with endures for a longer period of time. It can last for a full day at medium usage with 90Hz turned on. It can go longer if you turn off 90Hz completely. Okay, now let's move on to the performance aspect. So the Infinix 08 comes with a MediaTek Helio G90T processor paired with 8 gigs of RAM and a 128 GB of internal storage. It is fast for most demanding tasks, and being a gaming CPU, gaming on this device is very smooth and responsive most of the time. There are some noticeable lag which is caused by XOS that is slapped on top of Android 10. Infinix XOS just needs to be a little bit more polished and also get rid of some unnecessary bloatware, then it will be much more impressive. Generally, the device is very fast, and I've had it crash to me like twice, but that can be quickly forgiven because it quickly wakes up most of the time. Although Infinix still needs to work on XOS, which will really improve things a whole lot for their upcoming devices. The 90Hz refresh rate makes things run very fast on this device, and I have to say that I am really impressed about it. This is a step in the right direction for the brand. If you still want to know what comes in the box, okay, it comes with the device itself, a 33 watt fast charger, a USB Type-C charging cable, a transparent silicone case, the earpiece, some paperwork, a screen protector, and a SIM ejector tool. So about the camera, the Infinix 08 has a 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 2 megapixels depth sensor, and another 2 megapixels sensor for light measurement and proper light detection. Then on the selfie side, it comes with a 48 megapixel selfie camera, accompanied by an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera for selfies. Images coming out of it are impressive, especially on good lighting conditions. The images are sharp with good amount of details, and high dynamic range works well in some scenes. High dynamic range could need some little improvement via software updates, but in most cases it gets the job done. Skin tone looks good, and I like the fact that it is not too oversaturated. The ultra-wide shots are impressive as well, but it works better in a well-lit environment, or should I say a bright sunny day. Selfie on the other hand is decent. It has some details to its shots and the colors looks nice. Sometimes the background is blown away in some images, but the overall images looks nice. The rear camera can shoot in 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 frames per second as well. The 4K footage looks good, and I prefer it over the 1080p footage, even though it lacks video stabilization in 4K, and video stabilization is only available in 1080p mode. Overall, it is okay, at least for a budget device. Hello guys, so this is the front video camera test on the Infinix 08. I'm currently shooting in the 4K mode. I think it looks okay, but you guys should be the final judge here. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. So the Infinix 08 is a huge step in the right direction for the brand, and I have to say that this is the best device Infinix has to offer yet. It is fast, it is solid, and it comes with most demanding features you want on a modern smartphone. There's still room for improvement, especially on the software side of things. Infinix needs to work on XOS, improve it a little bit, polish the user interface a little bit, and cut down on some bloatware this device comes with. If they do that, trust me, they're going to have a winner in the near future. But you know what? Kindly share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. What do you think about the Infinix 08? I've been using it for the past 1 month and it is great. It has some things that I do not like about it, which I've talked about in this video, but I would like to hear what you think about it in the comment section below. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.